Hello, it's Adrian Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday at Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche. And today it is pouring with rain outside. Nice May day, and therefore I'm going to show you quickly around inside, and you won't believe what you can see here. Well, coming through our front door, the first thing that you're faced with is the lovely Leanne on service reception, and this 2.4 T/E in for resale. 2.4 T/E means it's an MFI car, mechanical fuel injection. Great piece of kit. Let's move into the showroom where you can probably hear the rain lashing down here. 993 in evidence. Let's see what else we've got that's really cool. One of my favorites, GT3 RS 997. This one is a beautiful, beautiful example. Right-hand drive, just a wickedly good car. And when we consider what other RS cars make, I think this fella is one where you can park a little bit of money, enjoy it in your garage, and enjoy it on the road as well. And swiftly across here, two different takes on an RS-R theme. The yellow one, very much a great road car, both high performance cars, and the silver one is a road/track example. Both beautiful builds. More 993, and these two fellas look great together, like C2S left hand and a 993 with RS appearance or a club sport look. Both excellent examples to enjoy. Another 993 sold. We've done very well on classics this month. We just got Paul, our technician, walking through the shop there. 992, 996 Targa, 964 Cabrios, two of them, and this white one, worthy of special note because it is an original 30,000 mile car. Now, I don't know where we'd ever find another one like that. Got a beautiful Boxster in there, low mileage car. Couple of very nice 356s, in fact 3 of them. First of all, this 54 Pre-A. Now, we were preparing this car for the Mille Miglia, however that's been shelved, and now this car's up for sale. It's been through our restoration and motorsport department and is ready to go. That one's beautiful. Another really special one is this 356 Roadster. Can't help to fall in love with this one. I think it's original low mileage car. Original red interior against the black body. A numbers matching car. Super nice. Strangely parked next to it is a modern Cayman. 997 Turbo, 981s down there, little 69 which I believe is sold. And the Ferrari and E-Type. So let's go and take a look into the restoration department. Oh, before we do that, we've got a 964 race car here, that really well-built car, rather well known with Mark Sumner. That's here on sale in restoration. Oh, it's really super interesting. We've got the 997 Cup car that only recently came back from Rally Mallorca and a local hill climb. So Richard's been using that. We've got 964, which was one of our older special request cars with a Everything bespoke about it, including turbocharger. That one's aged really well. It's probably 6-7 years old now and looks every bit as good as it did. 2.7, almost ready to go out to the client after being refreshed. A bit of a rarity, a 356 Speedster, original car, in for some regular maintenance, red inside. 2.7 MFI. Lovely little 356, which is nearing completion. You can see the two colours, the ivory and the red. We've got Josh on the hammer. That wasn't scripted. Thanks, Josh. And then on top of which we look after all sorts of things for people. And here's a rather old BMW that's looking a little bit sorry for itself. I don't even know what model it is, but it's cool to see. And that is it from the restorations. Now for the complete experience, I'm going to take you on into our workshop, but not through going outside. Ooh, Aston Martin there. Let's have a look at that. Done 5,500 miles. Oh, that'll be sold. Let's see what's going on out here. So, typical workshop day, Cayenne, another Cayenne. Really, really nice Boxster. 964 waiting to go out. 997. 981. It's Cayenne day today. Hi, Mark. And Ian there just preparing a BMW. I note the MOT ramp and the alignment ramp are empty today, so quite unusual. Well, there you are. That's it from me. I'm Adrian Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday. I hope you enjoy the swift look around. We do have a fair variety here. Something I saw in this E-Type. It's got the spare key bolted into the bulkhead there. Probably been there from 1973. I look forward to seeing you soon.